Have you ever been blown away by someone's insane building skills in Minecraft, or maybe annihilated in PvP by a player with superhuman reflexes? You might be wondering, are they just that good, or is there something more to the story? Well, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Minecraft clients, specifically the ever-popular Lunar client, and uncovering the secret weapon potentially powering those epic plays. Now, Minecraft itself is a massive game, boasting millions of active players worldwide. But within that player base, a subculture of sorts has emerged, utilizing third-party clients like Lunar to enhance their gameplay experience. These clients offer a range of features, from performance optimization to unique tools and aesthetics. But the big question remains, just how many players are out there using Lunar client? Is it a niche community, or are we talking about a Minecraft army wielding these modded tools? Unfortunately, there isn't a single, definitive answer. Lunar client, like most software companies, keeps its active user base numbers close to the chest. However, fear not, intrepid investigator. We can use a combination of tactics to crack the code and get a sense of Lunar client's reach. Witness the power of partnerships. First, let's take a peek at Lunar client's partnership page. Their website mentions partnerships. They boast collaborations with some of Minecraft's biggest content creators, racking up a combined following of over 150 million. That's a staggering number, and it suggests Lunar client has significant influence within the Minecraft community. While not all those followers will necessarily use Lunar client, it hints at a massive potential user base. The power of public perception. Next, let's look at online discussions. Forums and subreddits dedicated to Minecraft are buzzing with client talk. While some players might scoff at the idea of using any client, many threads discuss Lunar client specifically, often praising its performance-boosting capabilities and user-friendly interface. One interesting data point comes from a Hypixel forum post, percentage of players using a client, where a player conducted an informal survey within specific game modes. Their findings? Roughly around 50% of players they encountered were using Lunar client. Now, this is just a small sample, but it suggests client usage, particularly Lunar client, could be quite prevalent. The numbers speak for themselves, kind of. Finally, let's delve into the world of claimed user bases. Lunar client itself does make a bold statement on their website, claiming over 2 million active users. Lunar client website says over 2 million users. This is a significant number and positions Lunar client as one of the largest Minecraft client providers. So, what does it all mean? While we can't pinpoint an exact number, the evidence suggests Lunar client has a sizable and active user base. The partnerships, online discussions, and Lunar client's own claims all point towards millions of players potentially using this client. Whether it's 2 million, 5 million, or even higher, one thing is clear, Lunar client is a significant force in the Minecraft community. Client up or not to client up? That is the question. Now, before you rush out and download Lunar client yourself, there are a few things to consider. Minecraft itself does allow the use of approved clients, but some features offered by Lunar client might be considered pay-to-win advantages on certain servers. Always check the server rules before jumping in with any client. The final block. Whether you're a seasoned Minecrafter or just starting your journey, understanding the client landscape can be valuable. Lunar client, with its potential millions of users, is a major player in this space. So next time you witness someone's jaw-dropping Minecraft skills, remember, there might just be a bit of client magic powering those moves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.